is Angie Chacon, and I'm actually just starting a new business. What I learned tonight was that there are a lot of channels that I can promote my brand, whether it's my physical product brand or myself as a brand, which I kind of have both in what I do. So I'm learning that there's a lot of different channels and how I can access those channels, how important it is to know what I really want to achieve, like what my message is on those channels. My biggest takeaway was just really knowing what my message is that I want to communicate, how I want to present my brand, the image of my brand, the effect I want to create with my brand, and how to actually get that out there, that I should use public relations and really get out there and get known, and that will bring back to me people buying my products, people respecting me, my company, and what I want to achieve. Yes, I definitely think people could benefit from the workshop. You have those little gold nuggets that you'll find, a little piece of information that you go, oh, I can really use that, and you can take that and really expand your business, expand yourself, however you feel to use the information. I feel that different people get it in different ways, and it's super valuable.